Hi, my name is Anko Tran. I'm the Global Creative Director for Melbourne. I'm going to be using the monochromatic puff finishing paste from Melbourne and line. It helps to add soft fullness and overall airy texture finish. This is my model Lauren. She has fine but thick density. I already blown out her hair smooth, and now I'm going to add lift-in waves, and it's a really good finisher for any style. I'm going to curl this piece forward. And then tuck the ends. And then I'm going to keep on going all the way up until the top and do the same on the side and do the same in the back. So I'm going to finish up her lived-in waves. I'm going to be using about a pea size of the puff finishing paste for monochromatic collection. So I'm going to start out with this first. I might add a little more because Lauren does have a lot of hair. One thing that's very important is that when you do use the puff, make sure you evenly distribute it all over your hands before you apply it. Okay? I'm going to start from the roots, working my way down. As you can see, it adds some soft fullness with an airy texture. So sometimes I really like to get into the root area to create a little more lift. As you can see, it gives it lift from the roots all the way to the ends. It's very lightweight, airy, with a soft fullness, and the hair becomes a lot more alive. So here's the finished look for the monochromatic puff finishing paste.